Hello, I would like to introduce you our new product Prattik 30. Prattik 30, 30-litre tank capacity. It has dual feature. Two flexible transparent PVC fabric hoses are sent for flow and return. Thanks to the plastic parts used, any chemical cleaner, compound and even pure acid can be used freely. Prattik 30 has an acid pump. It can be carried easily with its light structure. Boilers, water heaters, heat exchangers, plastic moulding machines, wall hung, and it's an ideal machine for cleaning floor standing boilers, solar energy systems.